Welcome to Garage Money Pit. I just wanted to give you a quick update why there have been no updates lately. Yeah, as you can see, my workshop looks even more like a hoarder's nightmare than it usually does. Frankly, to be a proper hoard, it just needs a dragon on top of the Lotus. And that's because I'm having some work done on the shop. You can see the inside of a brand new roof. When we bought this place, the roof was leaking. I had it repaired. It continued to leak. So now we have a completely new roof. But that's not the reason why there are more vehicles crammed in here than usual. So let me just take you outside and show you. Well, and here's the reason why everything is crammed into those two bays. I had a new floor poured. So this used to be gravel. And we're on a hillside with a water table that's very high. So whenever we got strong rain, the ground would get wet and the gravel. So if I parked any car in here, I actually had to put tarps underneath. So we now have concrete here, and it's the correct spec to actually eventually put a 4-post lift in there with quite a lot of safety margin. That was the other reason why I did this, because the concrete in that part of the shop, we don't know what the specs are. So once this area is closed up, there will be a garage door here as well. Then we can open this wall here, and that will give us unobstructed access to all 3 bays, right? Eventually with the lift here, 1 car on top, 1 car on the bottom. Some storage or workbench over here. Haven't figured that out yet. Probably with a window up here. One thing that this whole building has is no natural light. Again, you can see there's a new roof on here as well. So one update on the Lotus while I'm at it. I did do a brake job. It's got new brake discs and pads all around. And I somehow managed to record all of that essentially without audio, which is why I've never published it. But anyway, this car is going to a shop in the next few days to do 2 things. One is it needs an alignment because I had an off at an autocross a little while ago. And I need to make sure that the alignment is knocked out of spec before basically I put some decent tires on there. And the other reason is it's still got a brake issue. It's got air in the braking system, and I currently don't have the time to work on that, and I want to get this thing back on the road. Once I've got some actual space to move around here is the Harley finally is going to get a new rear brake rotor. You can see there's a lot of bluing. This thing is warped, and it makes it a pain in the ass to ride this bike. It's hard to see with the screen, but the headlight doesn't fit in the bucket properly. I need to find out why. I don't know if it's something to do with the fact that it's got an LED headlight instead of an H4. We'll have to find out. But yeah, that's next once I can actually move around here again.